So we are about to start our day 2 in Moscow and I have gotten ready. I have worn this black frock which I'll show you once I go outside because there's a huge mirror outside of my room. So that is when I'll show you my outfit. But I really love it and I have done a little bit of makeup. So today what we are planning is first we are going to go to this park which we don't actually want to visit the park, but the metro station over there has the biggest accelerator in the whole of Europe. So that is where we are going to go first, and then let's see where we'll go. So I'm all ready. I'll just wear my shoes and let's leave. Bye bye. So we have started from our hotel, but first we are going to eat something because yesterday we did that mistake of not eating and just having coffee, and then we weren't feeling quite well. So now we have come to this cafe, which has croissants and everything. So we are going to go there, and then we'll go further. Here, my friend was making this rose that he knows how to make with tissue papers, and it looked quite beautiful because the tissue paper they were quite nice and they were also red. So we are now done with our breakfast. So breakfast, lunch, brunch, whatever. So now we are heading to Park Pabedi. So let's leave. So we have now reached the Park Pabedi metro station. Now let's go out. But before that I'm going to take my friends. इकडून ना
4-6 नंबर 1 नंबर काय
पार्क पबेदी आपल्याला ते हे बघायचे फक्त हे पकडत झालं तुझं फोन. So I have taken my friend's phone. I am going to start the time and let's see how long it is going to take us to go up, because according to what I have read, we need open book. We need at least 3 minutes to go up. So let's see. So I'm getting on now and let's start the timer. I'm quite excited to see what is going to be there, because here you can see how people travel. Everyone is at their own paces, because some people are standing, some people are walking through the other side of the elevator, because here there's a rule that if you're just standing on the elevator, you stand on one side and the other side is left for the people walking beside you. So it becomes easy for everyone to commute, and that I feel is quite nice of people to be that kind, for everyone to follow that rule. And it is also beautiful to just watch people. Everyone is having their own fun. Some people are just standing, some people are scrolling through their phones and enjoying. And with that, we have reached the 1 minute mark. But let's see how long it is going to take more. Here are a few clips of the metro stations that we had been through to get to our next destination. And each and every metro station has a different story. Each and every metro station has a different decoration, and it looks very, very beautiful. So we have now come to the VDNKH metro station, and here there is the Cosmonautics Museum just in front of us, and even the all Russian exhibition center. So we are going to go visit the Cosmonautics Museum first, and then we'll go to the exhibition. So let's see.
Mr. Galileo.
So we are now inside the museum, and let me show you how it is. It is very beautiful. Inside the museum, they were also selling this space food. We didn't get any because I don't think I might like it, but that is okay. Before entering into the actual museum, there was also this area where we could touch each and every spaceship, each and every part of it, and see how it worked and everything about it. They demonstrated all of the parts using this PPT kind of a thing. All of that was just outside before entering into the museum, and this is how it was inside. And I recommend for each and everyone who is an aspiring astronaut or who is very much interested in space, they should visit this museum at least once in their life. There was also this area where they had put in pictures, the research papers, and the belongings of famous astronauts or famous researchers who had done quite a lot of research for space. And finally, here came the area of spaceships where we could see different spaceships from the time when the research of space began. Some of them were real, some of them were dummies, and we also found plants here which they grow in the spaceships. I'm done roaming the Cosmonautics Museum. So on my right side is the Cosmonautics Museum. In front of me is the Cosmos Hotel, and on this side there is the All Russian Exhibition Center. And we are going to go over there now because we want to see, and it also has quite a nice view. It also has these fountains and all. So we are going to go over there now. So I'll see you once we reach over there. So I'm finally here at William Cage Museum, and we first roamed in the park that is just beside this, which is the Orion Park, and it was quite nice, but we didn't get into any rides. Now I'll show you the fountains that are just in front of this museum, and they look so beautiful from afar itself because I'm walking towards the museum, and they look beautiful. There was quite a lot of crowd here at the fountain because it is very beautiful to sit here and enjoy the view, because in this summer heat we need some water and some coolness. So all the people here were clicking photos, putting their legs inside this water because it was very nice to sit here and watch the fountain. You can also see that there is a little rainbow coming over here, and it looks quite beautiful. Here you can see by my reaction how sunny it was. I couldn't even open my eyes because of the sunlight coming into my face. And here are some kids picking up the coins at the bottom of the fountain. So we have now roamed around for the day, and now we are headed to eat something. So we'll go to Domino's now because in Bangkok we don't have Domino's, and so we are going to try something that isn't there in Bangkok. So let's go. We have crossed one metro, but we need to take another metro to go there. So now I'll see you after I reach over there. And obviously I had to forget that I am vlogging, and that is why I couldn't shoot the part where we went and ate and everything. And after that we were going to the city center. So this is the metro station near the city center, and after we get outside we are going to see this beautiful view of the beautiful skyscrapers. So we are done with our dinner. Now we have come to this city square. You can see the beautiful buildings. And now we'll roam here for a while, and then we'll go to Arbat Street. So let's go roam around over here. And if you are a fan of cars, you are going to love this place because this is not a showroom. This was just a parking lot where people park their vehicles, and the people there even wash your cars for you. city center. It was quite mesmerizing, and when it gets dark outside, they also put on the lights, so it was quite fun to watch, and it was so mesmerizing. We clicked a lot of photos. We clicked a lot of photos, and now we are heading to Arbat Street, where it is just a street just for people watching and some small shops and everything. So we are going to go over there because there also we can click some nice photos and all. So let's go. The walk from the metro station to Arbat Street was quite long, and in that walk there was also this building which is included in the Seven Sisters, and this is the one that I'm talking about. So we are now here to the Arbat Street. We came in the night because it is also well lit and it looks beautiful in the night time. So let's go visit that and let's see what is there over here. So we are finally done for today. It was quite tiring, and now we are headed home from Arbat Street. So I'm going to end this video over here, and I'll see you in the next vlog. And